peoples, it's DJTuberPlays, and today we are doing weekends. And so, yes, I have cleared it, and I've heard that the insane one is too insane for me. So, yeah. It's just... So, you basically, I'm just gonna explain what I'm doing here. Because it seems that's the best way to go. Alright, so you have to just keep sending out Meat Shield and Paris, and or like some. If you don't have Paris, like just get some like good attack, like maybe like Sexy Legs or UFO, Dragon. But Dragon's a little too expensive, so. Yeah. Also, yeah, I do sound a little weird. Don't just ignore that. Alright, and eventually you should kill it. And then while you're there, you just sit. Alright, you can just spam some more stuff, get a Bahamut out, and then there you go. Because those all together are a nightmare. I should know, because I've done this stage before. So you just, yeah, you see, but the thing is, they're actually really weak, because they actually only have 25,000 health. Like, I'm pretty sure my cat cannon killed some of them. I think that's just me, but Valkyrie, I don't even know why I need Empress Kronos on the stage. They're not any trait, they're traitless. And then they all just go boom when Bahamut uses that move. Alright, I just need to, you know. You see, like, look how weak they are. Like, that was a lot of cash. I did use a rich cat just because I was scared that I might have lost the level. I might lose the level if I didn't have a rich cat. So I brought a rich cat just in case. Just checking if someone... I'm just checking if Mythical Titan or anything is like... Alright. Can you guys hear me touching my iPad? I don't know. So you just want to keep sending out stuff. Wait, oh. Forgot I was in the middle of the battle. There actually is a very good reason why I want to do the stage. Not just for the true form, but for other reasons. So, first, let me just... So, I actually have Shaman. And Shaman actually turns... Its evolved form is Necromancer. And Necromancer and Skelecat actually have a cat combo. And the thing is, I also have Mister. And so they all have a research up combo, which is really, really OP. Because you activate it with only 3 slots. Plus, he's also good against zombies, so you can probably help me in zombie outbreaks. And, you know. Come on. You need to chill. There we go. Now we can actually start hitting the base. Oh, we can't deploy. Alright, let's just see how this goes. Alright, if any more come out, I can have my cat canoon. The thing is, like, at the beginning, I legit killed him with meat shields. It was really, really funny. Getting another one of... If those eventually die, which they just did, I have extra. You see, I love Bahamut. He does so much damage, and his awakened form is even better. Because, like, he does damage, but he also does it more faster. This is why I love Bahamut so much. God, he's the best. And we just beat it, yeah. And, oh my god. Alright, let's go. Probably can't upgrade him all the way. Yeah, alright, we need to do some stages to get XP. Alright, let's see what we can do. But first, before we do anything, let's actually do, I don't want to do risky terrain just because I'm actually kind of stuck on that. So I'm going to go here and do, oh, it's fine. I'll just use leadership or something. I have tons of those. Alright, I just usually just send out usually I just send out lions in this one. And then you just keep, they actually do not too bad amount of damage. I really like my lion cats as well. Really, you think a LeBoyne can stop us? I put out LeBoynes before. I mean, I have seen LeBoynes before. I've never put them out. You can put out a Michael Titan. There's no way a LeBoyne can have that much health, right? Is it just me? Alright, yeah, that's what I thought. I would have got. Right, you know what, I'm just gonna send out Valkyrie. These do give you a good amount of XP, so. And that's not enough. Frick. Alright. Wait. Okay, let's see what we can get. Is there no ad? Battle Cats, hello. You know what, I think we need to go back to Battle Cats. Okay, I'll just use a leadership, it's fine. I really don't care. No. I will use leadership. Sleeping lion, huh? The lion isn't sleeping. It's right here. Okay, that was stupid, but I really don't care. Oh, I just realized my lions do a lot more less damage than I thought. Alright, you know what, let's skip Bahamut. Because I don't know what's going to come out, so you never know, so. You're always going to need a Bahamut and a Valkyrie for it. Yeah, I'm taking a break on Into the Future. I already did the Great Abyss, actually. I can actually link it to you guys, but it has no audio. I'm on the stage, I think it's Kenya I'm stuck on. Yeah, it's actually kind of hard. God, this is the thing, is the lion in this troop form actually has this reduced, his cooldown time increased, which is really annoying. Ooh, it's a dark doge. Oh no. What are we gonna do? I just don't want to send out the cat cannon just because I do want Baham to kill them. Boom. Boom, boom. Alright, now let's just have the Bahamut destroy the base. Thank you. Oh. Wait, what is that? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, I did not know that. Okay, let's go see if this is enough. Oh my god. Dude, I just want to upgrade you. Is that too much to ask for? This is what happened when I had to get my unicycle. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna guess we need 44 plus... So we need about over 100,000 XP. So let's get at least 100,000 XP. Alright. Let's do this stage. Nylon the Cola. Oh. Little hippo. It's fine, I got my lion for that. If you don't have critical hitters, just use your lions or giraffes or whatever you have. Or just any... Okay, you know what? Alright. Because they just do 1 damage to the metal hippo, but still, they can actually kill him. Oh, I realized I actually changed my loadout, and I usually have dark here, not macho. Wait, when does Master A come? No, Master A is on the last stage. I forgot. So I want Holy Valkyrie. I've heard she actually gets really better, but we need to continue doing it into the future for that. So. Alright, actually, let me go quickly change the loadout with the dark. I just want to upgrade him once, just because I can upgrade him once. Don't mind me. Alright, 54,000. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. We just need to do Passion Lance again. Pella Field. Oh, Palela Field. Palela. There we go. No, not under the lion. Alright, now let's just wait. Oh my god, do you really need Bahamut? I call my cats weird names, and it's just, I don't know. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to sneeze. Oh my god. I don't like sneezing on camera, or because I sneeze very loud, and it's very terrifying. So, let's not sneeze. It's fine. Actually, my sneeze was gone, so. Actually, I don't know if it's just anyone. Does anyone like when they sneeze? Like, yay! I still need. I think if we do another pattern page, I think Flamenco hole. Oh my god! It's a doge and a snake. Or snake. Am I the only one who calls those? Yeah. It's a doge and it's a dog and a snake. What are we gonna do? That's what you're gonna do. Wow, that was actually kind of fast, Valkyrie. Ooh, it's a moose. Ah. I'm so scared. I am so scared. That's fine. I really don't care. You see, look, the moose is not a worry. I have a Bahamut. I have dealt with many moots in Chapter 3 Moon. This is nothing. Now, come on, guys, kill him. Alright, are you gonna kill them, or, like, what? Because I got Bahamut out. I'm weird. There we go, you see that? Now we just wait until the stage is over. Wait. Did this Mythical Titan and Valkyrie just do the same exact amount of damage? Come on, guys, I want to fire my cat cannon at something. You know, I'm just gonna fire it at nothing. I don't know, I just like firing my cat cannon. Wait, we should have enough. Alright, let's go upgrade him. For the final 3, 2, 1. And ooh, even a rusty nail can stop the love in his heart from beating. More versatile than fish cat. Strong against red and zombies with area attacks. And a zombie killer. Ooh. Right. So first he was just strong against red and had a single. Strong against red and had a single. Now he has a strong against red and zombie. And he's a zombie killer. And he has area attack. Yeah. I actually don't know why I put them on the I really want Caro Migo. Alright, anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video, because I did. Anyways, oh, I just said that, okay. Alright, just see you guys next time.